Good day, students. Now we're going to look at solution to number 16. Another long answer question from your chapter 1 sample quiz found in book 1 of your math 1026 booklets. And it's asking us to find the equation of a line similar to the previous one, but this time it gives us different information. It doesn't give us two ordered pairs, it just gives us one. Now remember, the equation of a line, our final answer is going to be in the form y equals mx plus b. So we follow the same three-step process. Step 1, find m. Step 2, find b. Step 3, write the equation. So first thing I'm going to do is step 1, and that's find the slope m. So let's find the slope m. Now read the question. What slope are we going to use? Well, we only have one ordered pair, so we can't find it there. But it does tell us in the next part that the line is parallel to this line. Now, what do parallel lines? What do we know about parallel lines? Parallel lines have equal slopes. So the slope of this line is already in y equals form. So the slope of this line you should be able to see is 3 over 2. Now we know parallel lines have equal slopes. That means we have to use the same slope. So really this step is already pretty much done for us, right? Just have to realize that parallel lines have the same slope. So we're going to use the slope 3 over 2 because it's the same as the other one. So step 1, there it is. Done. Now step 2 is find b. Find a y-intercept b. Now how do I find b? Well, we know a slope now, so we're going to use our slope that we know. And we're going to use the ordered pair that they gave us, and we're going to substitute those in and solve for b, because we know this is an x value, this is a y value, and of course we have our m value. So you start with y equals mx plus b and substitute in for y, m, and x and solve for b. Okay, so we're going to substitute m in right here. We're going to put y in. Okay, so y is going to go in over here, and x will go in right here. So y is -5. Okay, m is 3 over 2. I'm going to multiply that by x, which is 2, plus b. Now you notice the 2's cancel there, or you can multiply it out. Like 3 over 2 times 2, you can just cancel the 2's, which is 3. Or, if you're not familiar with that, you could multiply it out, because this is understood to be over 1. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, and then simplify. So whatever way you're comfortable in doing that. And so I'm going to just cancel the 2's here and go 3 plus b. Now, solve for b means we have to move 3 to the other side. Okay, so I got -5, bring over to 3, -3. That means b is going to equal -8. Okay, so we have m and we have b, right? b is equal to -8. So what do we do then? Step 3. What is step 3? Step 3 is write the equation in the form y equals mx plus b. Okay, so what is y? That's what you leave there. You don't put in for y, right? You must leave the y and x here. What you put in for is m. So m goes in for that value, x, and then 8 goes in here. So again, just take your two values that you found, put m in here, right? And put b in here, and you have your equation. So that's your final answer right there. Let me put a little box around it. So there's your final answer. Y equals 3 over 2x subtract 8, or -8. That's the complete solution to number 16, part of your sample chapter 1 sample quiz.